What if I told you there's a way to potentially turn a few $1,000s into a mountain of cash by the end of the year? What if that path led straight to the heart of one of the most explosive industries on Earth right now? Semiconductors. These aren't just tiny computer chips, they're the beating heart of everything from your smartphone and your car, to the most advanced AI systems on the planet. In this video, we're diving deep into 3 semiconductor stocks that I believe have the potential to absolutely explode this year. We're talking about a leader in innovation that's practically printing money, a pioneer in technology that holds the keys to the entire industry's future, and a giant in the industry that's poised to capitalize on the biggest tech trends in history. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end, because by the time we're done you'll not only understand why these companies are set to dominate, but you'll also have a clear game plan for potentially profiting from their success. Hit that like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. First up, we're heading straight to Taiwan, home of the undisputed king of chip manufacturing TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, ticker symbol TSM. Now you might not have heard of TSMC, but trust me, you use their chips every single day. They're the powerhouse behind the brains of your smartphone, your laptop, your car, maybe even your refrigerator at this point. Think about it. Every time you swipe your phone, stream a video, or even use GPS in your car, there's a good chance a TSMC chip is making it all possible. We're talking about a company that's so far ahead of the competition, in terms of manufacturing technology, it's almost laughable. Apple, with all its billions, still relies on TSMC to make the chips that power its iPhones. Why? Because TSMC is the only company on the planet right now that can produce chips at the scale and sophistication that these tech giants demand. We're talking about chips so small, so densely packed with transistors, that they're pushing the very limits of physics. But it's not just about being the best today. TSMC is playing a whole different game. They're constantly pouring billions into research and development, staying years ahead of the curve. While other companies are struggling to catch up to the current generation of chip technology, TSMC is already churning out chips that will power the devices and technologies of tomorrow. And let's talk about market dominance for a second. TSMC controls over 50% of the global foundry market. That means more than half of the world's made-to-order chips come out of their factories. That's insane. They're like the Intel of manufacturing, but on a whole other level. Now some people might say, Graham, isn't Taiwan a risky bet with all the geopolitical tension? And look, it's definitely something to consider. But here's the thing. TSMC is so strategically important, so vital to the global tech industry, that disrupting their operations would be like cutting off the world's oxygen supply. It's just not going to happen. The bottom line is this. TSMC is a money printing machine. They've got the technology, the scale, and the demand to keep growing at an incredible pace for years to come. And that, my friends, is why TSM is a stock that could make you very, very wealthy by 2025. But let's dive a bit deeper into why TSMC is so far ahead. Their secret sauce isn't just about having the best technology today, it's about their relentless pursuit of innovation. They are constantly exploring new materials, new processes, and new ways to push the boundaries of what's possible in semiconductor manufacturing. While other companies are still trying to perfect their 7-nanometer processes, TSMC is already moving forward with 5-nanometer and even 3-nanometer technologies. This leapfrogging of generations is what keeps them miles ahead of the competition. And it's not just about the chips themselves. TSMC's manufacturing techniques are so advanced that they can produce these incredibly complex chips at a scale that no one else can match. This ability to mass-produce cutting-edge technology is what makes them indispensable to companies like Apple, Nvidia, and Qualcomm. And let's not forget about their financial muscle. TSMC's revenue and profit margins are through the roof, allowing them to reinvest billions back into their R&D efforts. This creates a virtuous cycle where their technological lead generates more revenue, which in turn funds even more advanced research. TSM is an absolute giant, boasting a staggering market cap of $929.84 billion. In 2024, it reported revenue of $2.89 trillion and net income of $1.17 trillion, putting up an impressive earnings per share of $252.50. Its PE ratio sits at a remarkably low 0.71, suggesting the stock could be significantly undervalued relative to its earnings. With a dividend yield of 1.38%, it's not just about capital gains, investors are also getting some income back. TSM continues to dominate the foundry market, making chips for companies like Apple, Nvidia, and AMD, and its influence only seems to be growing. So when you think about the future of technology, whether it's AI, 5G, or autonomous vehicles, TSMC is the backbone making it all possible. Their chips are the unsung heroes powering the next wave of technological innovation. And that, my friends, is why TSMC isn't just a company, it's a cornerstone of the modern world. Investing in TSMC is like investing in the future of technology itself. So if you're looking for a stock that has the potential to make you very, very wealthy by 2025, look no further than TSMC. They're not just leading the pack, they're defining the future. And that, my friends, is why TSMC is the undisputed king of chip manufacturing. Now let's talk about a company that's even more under the radar than TSMC, but arguably even more critical to the future of the entire semiconductor industry, ASML holding NV, ticker symbol ASML. This Dutch company is a linchpin in the global tech ecosystem, yet it remains relatively unknown to the general public. But make no mistake, ASML's influence is monumental. Based in the Netherlands, ASML is the world's leading provider of extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, or EUV machines for short. These machines are the backbone of modern semiconductor manufacturing, enabling the production of the most advanced chips. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, what in the world is an EUV machine? Well, let me break it down for you. An EUV machine is a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and precision. Well, my friends, it's basically the most sophisticated, most expensive piece of machinery ever built by humans. Imagine a device so complex that it takes years to assemble and requires the collaboration of thousands of engineers and scientists. Seriously, these things cost upwards of $150 million each, and they're the size of a double-decker bus. Just think about that for a moment. The sheer scale and cost of these machines are mind-boggling, but they're absolutely essential for making the most advanced computer chips in the world. Without these machines, the chips that power our smartphones, laptops, and even the servers that run the internet wouldn't be possible. Remember how we talked about TSMC making those tiny, super powerful chips? Well, they can't do it without ASML's EUV machines. These machines are the unsung heroes behind every cutting-edge chip. Well, they can't do it without ASML's EUV machines. These machines are the unsung heroes behind every cutting-edge chip. They enable the miniaturization and performance improvements that we all take for granted. These machines use incredibly precise lasers to etch circuits onto silicon wafers, creating the transistors that power our digital lives. The level of precision required is astronomical, down to the nanometer scale. And the craziest part is, ASML has a virtual monopoly on this technology. No other company in the world can match their expertise or their capabilities in EUV lithography. They are the only company in the world that can make these machines. This gives them an unparalleled advantage in the semiconductor industry, making them indispensable to chipmakers worldwide. So, you can think of ASML as holding the golden ticket to semiconductor domination. Their technology is the key that unlocks the future of computing and electronics. Every single chipmaker that wants to stay competitive, from TSMC to Samsung to Intel, needs to get their hands on ASML's EUV machines. Without them, they simply can't produce the chips that drive innovation. And with the global demand for chips exploding, ASML is sitting pretty. The semiconductor market is booming, and ASML is right at the heart of it, reaping the benefits. But here's the real kicker. ASML isn't just resting on its laurels, they're constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with lithography. Developing even more advanced machines that will enable the creation of even smaller, even more powerful chips. Their R&D efforts are paving the way for the next generation of technology. We're talking about chips that will power the next generation of artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, and who knows what else the future holds. The potential applications are limitless, and ASML is at the forefront of this technological revolution. With a market cap of $271.44 billion, ASML pulled in $28.26 billion in revenue and $7.57 billion in net income for 2024. Its earnings per share came in at $22.13, and it's currently trading at a P/E ratio of 31.19. The dividend yield stands at 0.95%, making it appealing for income-focused investors as well. Here's the kicker. The stock is currently priced at $690.33, which is 42.86% below its estimated fair value of $986.20. That gap between price and value could present a strong opportunity for long-term investors who believe in the future of semiconductor technology. The point is, ASML is not just a company, it's a gatekeeper. They control the technology that will shape the future of technology itself. Their influence extends far beyond the semiconductor industry. They control the technology that will shape the future of technology itself. Their influence extends far beyond the semiconductor industry. They are the gatekeepers of the digital age. And that, my friends, is why ASML is a stock that has the potential to generate life-changing wealth for early investors. Investing in ASML is like buying a ticket to the future, a future that they are helping to build with every machine they produce. Finally, let's talk about a company that's a little different from the first two but equally poised for explosive growth. ARM Holdings, ticker symbol ARM. This British semiconductor and software design company has been quietly revolutionizing the tech industry for decades. While it may not have the same household name recognition as some of its clients, its impact is undeniable. Now, unlike TSMC and ASML, ARM doesn't actually manufacture chips. Instead, they focus on what they do best: designing the blueprints for the chips. These blueprints, or architectural licenses, are the foundation for the brains that power billions of devices around the world. Instead, they design the blueprints, the architectural licenses, for the brains that power billions of devices around the world. This approach allows them to focus on innovation and efficiency, creating designs that are both powerful and energy efficient. We're talking about everything from smartphones and tablets to smartwatches and even servers. ARM's designs are incredibly versatile, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether it's a high-performance server or a compact wearable device, ARM's technology is at the heart of it. You name it, there's a good chance it's running on ARM's technology. Their designs are so ubiquitous that it's hard to find a modern electronic device that doesn't rely on ARM's architecture in some way. In fact, it's estimated that over 95% of smartphones worldwide use ARM-based processors. That's insane. This dominance in the smartphone market is a testament to the efficiency and reliability of ARM's designs. So, how does ARM make money? It's actually pretty ingenious. Instead of manufacturing the chips themselves, they license their designs to other companies. This licensing model allows them to focus on innovation, while their partners handle the manufacturing. They license their chip designs to other companies like Apple, Qualcomm, and Samsung, who then manufacture and sell the chips. This model not only generates revenue through licensing fees, but also through royalties on each chip sold, who then manufacture and sell the chips. This symbiotic relationship allows ARM to benefit from the success of its partners, creating a steady stream of income. It's like a royalty model for the semiconductor world. Every time a chip based on ARM's design is sold, ARM gets a cut. This model has proven to be incredibly lucrative, allowing ARM to invest heavily in research and development. And because ARM's designs are so energy efficient and scalable, they're perfect for a wide range of devices from tiny sensors to powerful supercomputers. This scalability is one of ARM's biggest strengths, allowing them to cater to a diverse array of markets. They're perfect for a wide range of devices, from tiny sensors to powerful supercomputers. This versatility ensures that ARM's technology remains relevant across different industries and applications. But here's where it gets really interesting. ARM is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the biggest tech trends of the next decade. Their forward-thinking approach and commitment to innovation make them a key player in the future of technology. ARM is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the biggest tech trends of the next decade. We're talking about the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and 5G technology. These trends are set to revolutionize the way we live and work, and ARM is at the forefront of this transformation. We're talking about the Internet of Things, where billions of devices are connected to the Internet, creating a vast network of interconnected devices that communicate and share data. Where billions of devices are connected to the Internet, enabling smarter homes, cities, and industries. This interconnectedness will drive demand for more efficient and powerful chips, a demand that ARM is well equipped to meet. Artificial intelligence, which requires massive amounts of processing power, and is becoming increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives from personal assistance to advanced data analytics, and 5G and beyond, which will enable even faster and more reliable connectivity. This next generation of wireless technology will open up new possibilities for innovation and connectivity. All of these trends require specialized, energy-efficient chips, and that's where ARM comes in. Their designs are already optimized for these emerging technologies, positioning them as a leader in the next wave of tech innovation. And that's where ARM comes in. Their designs are already being used in everything from smart home devices to self-driving cars, showcasing their versatility and forward-thinking approach. Their designs are already being used in everything from smart home devices to self-driving cars, and their importance is only going to grow in the years to come. As technology continues to evolve, ARM's role in shaping the future will become even more critical, and their importance is only going to grow in the years to come. With their innovative designs and strategic partnerships, ARM is well positioned to lead the charge in the next era of technology. And let's not forget about the recent IPO of ARM Holdings. This move has injected the company with a fresh wave of capital, providing them with the resources needed to continue their innovative work and expand their influence in the tech industry. This move has injected the company with a fresh wave of capital, allowing them to invest in new technologies and expand their reach. The IPO has also put ARM squarely in the spotlight for investors around the world, highlighting their potential for growth. And put it squarely in the spotlight for investors around the world. With their strong track record and promising future, ARM has become a hot topic in the investment community. With a market cap of $129.93 billion, ARM reported revenue of $3.23 billion in 2024 and net income of $306 million. Its earnings per share are at 77 cents and its PE ratio is sitting sky high at 160.09, showing how much investors are betting on its future growth. Known for designing the chip architecture used in billions of mobile devices, ARM plays a critical role in everything from smartphones to emerging AI applications. While its current valuation might seem steep, the strategic importance of its technology gives it long-term potential that's hard to ignore. With their finger on the pulse of the semiconductor industry and a business model built for long-term success, ARM Holdings is a company that could easily be a 10-bagger or more by 2025. Their innovative designs and strategic partnerships make them a key player in the future of technology. And a business model built for long-term success, ARM Holdings is a company that could easily be a 10-bagger or more by 2025. Their innovative designs and strategic partnerships make them a key player in the future of technology. ARM Holdings is a company that could easily be a 10-bagger or more by 2025. Their innovative designs and strategic partnerships make them a key player in the future of technology. Together, these three companies represent the core infrastructure of the global chip supply chain. Whether it's manufacturing, equipment, or design, they each play a vital role in the future of tech, and they're all worth watching closely. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments, no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and join today at a 67% discount price. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full, in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these semiconductor giants do you think has the most potential to explode by 2025? Is it TSMC with its manufacturing dominance, ASML with its lithography monopoly, or ARM Holdings with its ubiquitous chip designs? Let me know in the comments below. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel.